There are many coins in the world today that took the hit of the global slump of crypto industry. However, some are recovering to make the comeback. One of them is Conflux. If you have no idea what that is, watch this video till the end and you will find out. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and turn the notifications on so you never miss an update. That being said, let's dive in. Conflux is a high-throughput first-layer consensus blockchain that utilizes a unique tree graph consensus algorithm, enabling the parallel processing of blocks and transactions for increased throughput and scalability. As the only regulatory, compliant, public, and permissionless blockchain in China, Conflux provides a unique advantage for projects building and expanding into Asia, connecting decentralized economies to strengthen the global DeFi ecosystem. Let's explore the project in detail. It works with something called Tree Graph Consensus Algorithm, which uses parallel processing of blocks and transactions to lower confirmation times and increase TPS. Conflux utilizes a highly tested POW consensus to provide increased security and anti-reentrance attack protection at the protocol level. Conflux provides unmatched scalability, eliminating the consensus bottleneck of other blockchains without sacrificing security or decentralization, and it offers built-in scalability, meaning built-in staking interest provides a foundation for innovative DeFi apps. Stake tokens currently receive an annualized rate of 4%, generated by the additional issuance of tokens. Conflux's token economy is built around the CFX token, a unit of value in the platform that enables token holders to pay transaction fees, earn rewards through staking, rent storage, and participate in network governance. CFX also incentivizes and rewards miners who ensure the secure operation of the network. Now, let's talk about the price situation. Conflux price at the time of making this video is 12 cents with a 24-hour trading volume of $1.3 million. The price is up 0.46% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 255. It did fall over 27% in the past week, but gaining traction for an upward trend. Conflux last updated its status in November 2021. It is clear that the project is thriving well, and the team is doing its best to ensure that the platform continues to improve as they focus on the marketing. In November, the Conflux network continued POS community testing and processed related community feedback. They have also optimized the node execution performance and the transaction pool implementation to fix mainnet issues. The company has also released new SDKs and added some documentation for the developers. On the partnership side, Witnet has launched on Conflux mainnet and provided a price feed service for Triangle DAO. The company is also actively engaging its market by sponsoring NFT.NYC in New York City. Attended by over 5,000 people, the Conflux logo was showcased on billboards in Times Square. It also co-hosted an in-person event during the NFT.NYC to engage more developers to join its platform. According to the current momentum of the Conflux price, the coin will reflect a significant change by the end of 2022. The price recovery is predicted. The minimum price of the CFX token is expected to be 0.43 in US dollars, and the maximum price is expected to be at a new height of 0.53 in US dollars. The average price of the CFX coin will be near 0.44 cents in US dollars for 2022, as per the Conflux price forecast. The future of Conflux network price is optimistic with upcoming collaborations and technological developments. For the year 2023, the average Conflux price forecast of CFX token is expected to be at 65 cents. The minimum price is projected around 63 cents in US dollars, and the maximum price level of CFX crypto is expected to be at 75 cents in US dollars. Short-term investors or traders should save their money to invest in this crypto to earn significant profit over the next few years. What is your opinion? Share with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.